The Samsung versus iPhone rivalry is the biggest in the gadget industry. And in this video, it is the Samsung S25 Ultra, which is the latest Samsung flagship release, versus the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is also their latest flagship release. Now, see, both phones are actually masterpiece, right? Like, I love the features on the S25 Ultra, and I also love the features on the 17 Pro Max. However, in this video, guys, I'll be telling you seven reasons, seven reasons why the S25 Ultra is better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, regardless of the fact that both are actually amazing device and even when they were released. So guys, if you love this information you're about to get from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My channel right here, I review gadgets, Samsung, iPhone, Oppo, what have you, all gadgets, even MacBooks, PC and all. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so that you don't get to miss out any of my recent videos. If you've done that, let us jump right into the video of the day. The very first reason is the S Pen. Yes, I am currently using an S23 Ultra to shoot this video, and I love the S Pen on this phone. iPhone does not have it, right? So whenever I want to do certain things, sometimes I bring out the S Pen to even draw. I want to take notes, I bring out my S Pen. I want to draw, I want to do a whole lot of things. I can use my S Pen for that. While iPhone users are still always typing for documents or doing this or that and all. So this is why I love the S Pen functionality on the S25 Ultra. Even though, yes, on the S25 Ultra, the Bluetooth functionality was removed. Okay, but aside that Bluetooth functionality for the camera, every other features which we know the S Pen for, it still has it. Before we move to the next one, make sure you share this video to that your iPhone lover friend, because I'm sure this is going to piss them off, right? They've always believed that iPhone is the best phone, but from this, they're going to see the reason why Samsung released February and iPhone released September. Look at how many months apart. The Samsung is still better. Piss them off a bit today, right? By sharing this video. Let us continue. Reason number two, Samsung has a smarter and more useful AI. All phone brands, even every industry this year, AI, 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 AI. But iPhone, Apple is finally adding calculator to their iPad. On Samsung, you've got generative edit to remove unwanted objects in photos, audio eraser to clean background noise, and live translate for real-time phone calls, all built right into the One UI 7. I already have the One UI 8 coming out. So imagine we have more AI integrations on this phone. There's even drawing assist, which can turn your doodles into professional sketches. And guys, we've seen the test. Putting your hands over your eyes to remove and even edit it. We saw how clean the Samsung one was, but iPhone looks like, you know, something from a scary or a horror movie. When we asked both iPhone and Samsung to direct us to the nearest Apple store in where we can get the latest 17 Pro Max. And look at the answers.
Hey Siri, can you tell me where the nearest shop is to buy the new iPhone?
Here's what I found.
Where is the nearest store?
What kind of businesses are you looking for?
Where can I buy the new iPhone close to me?
Which one?
The nearest one.
What kind of businesses are you looking for?
Where can I buy the new iPhone 17 close to me?
Here's what I found.
Can you open maps and give me directions?
Directions to where?
The nearest store to buy the new iPhone.
Which one?
The closest one.
Here's what I found.
Hey Google, can you tell me where the nearest shop is to buy the new iPhone?
Based on your location, here are some shops where you can buy a new iPhone.
Hey Google, which is the closest?
The closest shop is Digiland, located 1.7 miles away at Digiland House.
Hey Google, start directions.
Lastly, Samsung is going to help you identify songs you are humming to, while iPhone is going to tell you no song found. When it comes to AI this year, iPhone, Samsung. Reason number three, security convenience. So the iPhone has Face ID, right, and also passcode unlock. Now for Samsung, we have the Face ID, passcode unlock, and also fingerprint. Now looking at which one gives you the most convenience, guys, I always go with Samsung because I can only just put my finger anywhere I place my phone and I've unlocked it automatically. But if I'm laying on the bed, or probably I'm wearing a mask, I'm very sleepy, I have to still bring up my face to my phone so that it's going to unlock. And sometimes or most times, it is not convenient to me as much as when I'm using my Samsung. So for the security convenience, Samsung takes the win again. iPhone lovers and even Android lovers watching this video, in my next video, I'll tell you guys reasons why the 17 Pro Max is better than the Samsung. Yes, there are still reasons why the 17 Pro Max is better. Okay, so they are both better in different ways. So make sure you like this video, also click on the subscribe button below so that once I upload that video, you guys will be the first to get notified. Okay, once we've done that, let us continue. Reason number 4, reverse or wireless charging. Now see, this is a lifesaver because yes, while both phones can charge wirelessly, Samsung can help you juice up probably any of your dead device immediately. But with your iPhone 17 Pro Max, nothing. I was even thinking from the rumors the 17 Pro Max is going to have those features, but sadly, it didn't come with it. Reason number 5, Samsung DeX. This is like a computer in your pocket. So you can just plug your S25 Ultra into a monitor or connect it wirelessly and suddenly you've got a full desktop experience. You can drag files, open apps in Windows, and use a keyboard and mouse all powered by your phone. It's perfect for work, presentations, or even editing content on the go. Meanwhile, if you're using the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you cannot get all these features. You need to get either the iPad or a MacBook to get what the S25 Ultra is giving. When I was S25 Ultra, I have it on the S23 Ultra, and even most previous Samsung Ultras have the Samsung DeX. Reason number 6, a camera that pushes limits. So finally, we got the 48 megapixel on iPhone, the triple 48 megapixel, which is actually nice. But Samsung still has 200 megapixel. We've had it even in the S20 Ultra, even previous years. So this means the detail you're going to get is insane. You can crop in, reframe, and still keep clarity. Plus, Samsung lets you record videos in 8K, while iPhone is still at 4K. Man, this is insane. And also, have you seen the zoom capabilities of both phones? You see that Samsung has, a wider range zoom and even better zoom than that of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Reason number 7, the design, durability, body build, and even style. So both phones look premium, all right, because they've both been recycling designs for years. Let's be honest. From the 11 Pro for the iPhone, then for the Samsung S22 Ultra for the Samsung. But now, iPhone users have been complaining. 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro, scratch gate prone, because you won't even drop your phone on the floor and wake up the next morning is already scratched. You cannot enjoy this phone. And again, you're going to buy the orange 17 Pro Max, and after a few days you're seeing the pink 17 Pro Max. Come on, iPhone. It's like, is this phone a chameleon where it changes color? Man, but you do not get that on the Samsung. The color you get, if you get the titanium, if you get the silver, or you get any color on this S25 Ultra, year in, year out, it is that same color you're going to get. And lastly, which is my second extra, is the display. Yes, iPhone improved their display quality, it is good and all. However, when we checked the anti-reflective display, Samsung is still better. Okay, but iPhone improved this year, but Samsung is still better. Okay, and even watching movies, watching anything that has to do with display, even the refresh rate, which is the same thing, right? But Samsung still gives a better picture quality more than iPhone. But come to think of it, Samsung makes iPhone screens, right? So like I've always said, if Samsung makes iPhone screen, I do not expect iPhone screen to be better than Samsung. Because come on now, you cannot be better than your master. So guys, here are 9 reasons why the Samsung S25 Ultra is a better choice for you than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Like I said, in my next video, I'll be telling you why the iPhone 17 Pro Max is better than the S25 Ultra, so that you can now, make your choice and see the one you're going to, be going for. If you love this video and you don't subscribe to at this point, come, what are you waiting for? share it to your friends, share it to those iPhone lovers in your contact list, because I'm sure they'll be angry and frustrated by this video.